Hello students, welcome to all to our English class. Today I am going to teach you about the notice. In the last class I have taught you one notice from the page number 68. Now we are going what here? We are going to deal with the writing part from the textbook in the page number 68. Okay, I have explained now. Read the following notice. Everybody see in the textbook children. In the textbook I have explained about this notice. About what? Here Green India Survey means he has given a notice on the topic what? Green India Survey children. So what is given in that? So how to write? What is the method of writing the notice he has given? So we should have to follow the same rules and we should have to prepare the another notice. He didn't mention. He gave a notice. Okay, based on this another one question he has given. So first of all, now what rules we should have to follow? What is the method of preparing the notice? Let us see here. So notice here given children, Government High School Hyderabad Green India Survey. Okay, he has written the heading. Okay, first of all I will explain you from the textbook. Then afterwards in the next bit I will explain on the blackboard children. Notice he has given. So you should have to write the bold letters. Notice, the word notice you should have to write in the bold letters. Then afterwards, of which school? That means this notice is written where? This notice is written in the school children. So which school? Mention the name of the school children. What is the name of the school here? Government High School Hyderabad. Okay. Next. What is the main topic of writing the? What is the main reason on which topic we are going to write the notice? On Green India Survey. So this is the first method children. This is the heading of the notice. Then afterwards, on which date we are going to write the notice? Okay, mention the date. Then what is the subject? What is the main body of the notice? Let us see here. About Green India Survey, no? How they are writing this is to inform you that Green India Survey Group Hyderabad have done a lot of work in raising awareness among the people living in Hyderabad about how all of us make our surroundings neat, clean and healthy. Okay, so Green India Survey is written by the headmaster of the school. How he is informing? He is informing to the children that Green India Survey Group is going to be approached in our school, and they are going to be they are coming here to give the awareness for the students about the neatness, cleanness and the healthy of our body. Next children, in order to make their efforts more focused, in order to make their efforts, whatever the work they are doing, no hard work in making the awareness, so to make more focused that work, what they are doing, they wish to conduct a survey among the youth through the questionnaire. This is they wanted to do the survey. See children, at home many people will come. Okay, every month or once in a year they will come and make a survey. What is the population of your what is the strength of your home? Okay, how many people are living? Yes, whether you have the gas cylinder or not. Like this, they will come and make the survey. Next children. So how they are making the survey? They are making the survey in the form of a questionnaire. So they are mentioning some questions. All of you are requested to cooperate with the Green India Survey Group. That means we should have to cooperate with the Green India Survey Group and fill in the questionnaire distributed by them. Whatever the questionnaire is given. Questionnaire is nothing but children, questions mentioned in one paper. So that we should have to fill up the form. Next. So this is the notice written by the headmaster sir to the children. Now let us see. In the same way, come to the first bit children. I have mentioned it. First bit, page number 68, first bit. Now we are going to begin the class. Let us see what is given question here in the textbook. Imagine that you are the secretary of the environment club of your school. Imagine. You just have to imagine, or you should have to guess that you are the secretary. See children, everybody in the school, they'll keep their own secretary of the class. What is the duty of the secretary? The duty of the secretary is to conduct the Kaka periods. Yes or no? They will conduct the Kaka periods and they will mention the timing, how much time they have taken to play the game or to or to give the speeches or essay writing or drawing competition or whatever it may be. So whose duty is that? The secretary's duty. So here one secretary is given, one secretary is mentioned for the environment club. Environment club is nothing but children, the people who will keep the surroundings neat and clean. Our school also, for example, we are staying in the Vande Mataram High School. So in our school there are the secretaries of environment club. That means the children who are looking after the environment of our school. So suppose 8th class girls, 8th class boys are mostly kept, okay, or 9th class girls or 9th class boys of any class, okay, of any class boys or girls are kept for this environmental club. That means they should have to look after what children? Look after the surroundings of our school. They should keep the surroundings neat and clean, children. So here the secretary is mentioned. So imagine that you are the person, you are the secretary of the environment club of your school. Write a notice. Now, of course, before a notice given, in the same way you should have to write the notice informing all the students to participate in the tree plantation week. Keeping the surrounding neat and tidy is more important, and along with that planting the trees also very important. So that is also considered with environment, children. Okay, keeping the surroundings clean and planting the new trees, planting the flower trees, planting the fruit trees, whatever it may be. So whose duty is that? Environmental clubs. So imagine that you are the secretary. Then you should have to inform all the students to participate in the tree plantation week. That means 1 week is mentioned for the students to plant the trees, children. Now let us see here. I have written notice on the blackboard. I will explain you how to write. Sir, everybody knows how to write the date and how to end the notice. But what about the body of the notice? What topic you are going to write? Go to what topic? So what are you going to write, children, here? Let us see here. See, I have mentioned here notice. Vande Mataram High School. So on which topic we are going to write? On environmental club. Okay, environmental club. You should have to write here environmental club. Environment club. Okay, environmental club. Now, what's in here? Now, we are going to write the notice. First of all, using the bold letter, you should have to write notice. N-O-T-I-C-E. In this way, you should have to write notice. You should have to mention the heading of the notice. Then, of which school? Of which school? Vande Mataram High School. Write the spelling correctly, children. V-A-N-D-E-M-A-T-H-A-R-A-M. Vande Mataram High School. Dichpalli. Where it is located? It is located near Dichpalli, near RS. RS is nothing but railway station. Near railway station, our school, that means Vande Mataram High School, is located. Next, about what we are writing? About what we are writing the notice? We are writing about the environmental club. Okay, environmental club. Got children here? Environmental club. Here, Green India Survey. Before you have seen, no, Green India Survey. Write a notice on the Green India Survey. Now we are writing the notice on the environment. E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N. Environmental club, children. Now, let us begin the body of the notice. Okay, how the notice, what the information, in what way we are going to give the information to the student. Let us see here. This is to inform you that the environment club of our school have done a lot of work in raising awareness among the people living in our village about how all of us grow trees and make our surroundings green. Okay, let us see here, children, what is happening here. The first step is the how to make the body of the notice. So In this way, you should have to begin. In what way? This is to inform. For whom they are going to inform? The secretary is going to inform to the student. This is to inform you. You means who here? You means students here. Okay. You means students. This is to inform you that the environment club of our school. Okay. One club is the children in our school. What is the name of the club? Environment club. Environment club of our school have done a lot of work. That means this club students have done a lot of work in what? In raising awareness. Awareness is nothing but making known to the people. Making known to the people about the advantages and the disadvantages of the things. Okay, making awareness. Okay, some people don't know about the importance or the advantages or disadvantages of some things. Okay, some people know and some people doesn't know. So this environment people, this environment club students, what they are doing? They are just doing the hard work in raising the awareness. Awareness, what is the importance of the plantation of the trees or the cleanliness of our surroundings. Importance they are going to be explained. So in raising the awareness among the people living in our village. That means they are not doing the environment, they are not doing any work in the school. They are going near in the village also. Okay, they are going in the village to make the awareness of the people. Okay, among the people living in our village about how all of us grow trees and make our surroundings green. Just these students are going to be making the awareness among the people. They are traveling to the villages. They are traveling to the villages and reaching to the people, and they are explaining about growing of trees and making the surroundings green. Okay, making the surroundings green, children. Now, in order to make our efforts more focused, means whatever the work we are going to do, no? Okay, if we do the work with more focus, what is happened? We wish to organize a tree plantation week in the next month. Okay, next month or next week also you can write. Next month or next week also. Yes, if you are planning for the next month, means mention the next month. If you are planning for the next week, means you can write the week. Okay. Now, what they are doing, children? All of you see here. In order to make our efforts more focused, whatever the work we are going to do, no, to make the work more focused, just we are organizing a tree plantation to make the awareness. See, by speaking we cannot do anything. By speaking and doing we can make the awareness of the people. We will explain about the tree plantation and we will keep the tree plantation week also. That means tree plantation month also. In that month we are going to plant the trees. Okay, plant the trees in front of the people who are living in the villages, children. Now, so in order to make our efforts more focused, we wish to organize a tree plantation week in the next month. Okay, till here we have completed. Now, what is given last year? All of you are requested. That means who is requesting here? Secretary. Secretary is requesting to the students in the she is writing or he is writing in the notice in a requested form. Means in the notice she is requesting or he is requesting. Okay, how is they are requesting? All of you are requested to participate and make it successful. That means I am requesting you to participate in this program and make it successful. If you participate and make this program successful, in this way the secretary of the environment club writing a notice. This is the format of writing the what, children? This is the format of writing the notice. Now, body of the notice has finished. Now, ending part. Who wrote the notice? Secretary. So, you should have to write secretary. Okay, it is somewhat different from the letter writing, children. Okay, so secretary, comma, punctuation marks are very important. What are the punctuation marks? Comma, full stop, exclamatory mark. Okay, this all comes under the punctuation mark. Secretary, comma, of what? The environment club. The environment club. Got the environment club. Next, of which school? The secretary of which school? BMHS Vande Mataram High School, comma. It is located at which place? Dichpalli, RS. Okay, understood children? This is the format of writing. Date also here children. On which day you are going to mention? On which day you are going to write? Okay, I have kept the date also. First of all, your first step is writing the notice heading. Then of which school? Vande Mataram High School. What is the main theme about the green, about the environment club? Okay, now let us start the body. How? Keeping the date. On which day you are going to write the notice? That date you should have to mention. I have kept dash which date, month, year you should have to mention. Then body of the letter, body of the notice, then lastly ending of the notice. So this is the way writing the notice children. And remember, this notice is very important. Okay, the method of writing the notice is very important for the essay exams. Okay, so you can, if he gives any topic, you can able to write in this way the notice. So children, in the next class I will meet you with the another topic.